I got involved with social justice. I've always been involved, even in high school and back home in Philadelphia. But I think at Penn State, I got involved in social justice because when I came here as a freshman, I had a hard transition coming here. It was a culture shock being at a predominantly white institution. And so it was really, really important that I find a space that I could find myself in and find my identity in. And I found that in the African American Studies department. I was the executive director for the Martin Luther King Commemoration Committee, and that committee is an annual committee where you choose students from all over the university, and we work together to create a week worth of events commemorating MLK's legacy. And so that is to promote social justice, but also to seek different types of understanding and to look at MLK's vision and see how he would have wanted us to move and to continue the movement of Black liberation. Our theme from when I was the executive director was where do we go from here, a tradition of resistance. And so we came up with that as a collective through looking at MLK's actual words. And he had different speeches where he actually said, where do we go from here? And so we chose the other part, traditional resistance, because a lot of times we think about, well, what do we do now? Or we're in this part and we don't know what to do. And so we understand the tradition of resistance throughout the civil rights movement and throughout the Black freedom movement. And so it was so important that we add that part of a tradition of resistance because of the legacy that all activists have put forth so that way we could follow in their footsteps. I've always been amazed and interested with the legal field and litigation in particular, but I think civil rights litigation is really special to me because of the people that I admire, but also because of the change and the impact that I'm able to make within marginalized communities, and also changing the racial narrative that we have in the United States. Because I want to go to law school, I thought it was really important that I find an internship that can really give me hands-on experience with the legal field. And so this summer, I had the opportunity to intern at the United States Attorney's Office in Washington, D.C. I was able to get funding through the College of Liberal Arts. So without the funding, because D.C. is so expensive, I was able to have a really rare opportunity as an undergrad to work at the United States Attorney's Office. Dr. Cynthia Young is probably one of the most important people in my life at Penn State. Coming in as a freshman, it was imperative that I find someone that I could link on to and someone that could help me throughout my journey. And Dr. Young kind of picked me up as a freshman, and she said, I see something in you and I want to mentor you, because everyone needs someone at Penn State or someone in life to help them along their journey. And so one of my endeavors when I was looking to have Kimberly Crenshaw come to Penn State. She's also someone I admire so much because of her ability to use analytical thinking and also activism to really actually impact communities that she's researching about. We were able to bring her to Penn State, and it was like an overwhelming outpour of support, and so many people came, and it was just great to see that working with Dr. Young and her being my mentor, I was able to accomplish something like that. Throughout my journey, all the professors and staff members, whether in a small way or in a huge way, has impacted my journey here at Penn State, and I wouldn't be who I am without the help and the inspiration that they've given me. I love to learn, and I think that the College of Liberal Arts and Penn State really takes that, and they yearn for students that love to learn, and so they make sure that you're a well-rounded and well-crafted person through your experiences to make sure that you're always doing everything and exposing yourself to different things so that way you can be more aware of what you want to do in life. My name is Awaly Diallo, and I hope to inspire students to seek justice by any means necessary and to change the world.